wanted people, sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make 'em.
Hey, it's your girl, twalacole, aka Sister Cole. How's my beautiful fam doing? Over here, I do lookbooks, I do beauty, reviews, fashion, perfume, makeup, all those wonderful things. And I would love to have you. And you know what you need to do? Come on, you need to subscribe. You need to subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, and if you may, share me out. Let's get into this video. Mask. This is the first time I'm ever trying a lip mask, okay? So, let's see. I've been seeing the girls doing this lip thing, and I definitely wanted to try it. So, let's see. Okay, so it's a little gel thing. A gel thing. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, well, to keep this on, okay, so it's about 15 minutes, and I took my the lip thing off, and all the little moisturizer and stuff it had on it is off. And then so it just says that you rub the excess of the product on your lip. Okay. So do my lip feels moist? It feels moist. Hey, anything to make my lips nice and soft, I'm all for that. So I enjoyed doing that. It was so nice and cool. It felt so nice and cool on my lips. Yes, it did. Okay, let me continue to get into this makeup look. Okay, so the colors that I'm working with today is going to be yellow and orange. And then I'm going to do a nice summer look, spring summer look. Okay, so that's what I'm working on, using all my new products from Nicole, the Pisces Queen. All these products. Yo, I love these brushes that she sent me. Yo, I really do. This was the real perfection brushes. So I'm using those two, and it's like, I love the long handle of these brushes, and I just like how it feels and makes a difference. It does make a difference. All right, so I'm probably gonna speed this up for you guys. Let's get into this look.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to trick. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Oh, so cruel. Oh, so cruel. Adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me, adore me. Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to trick. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you.
All right, guys, here you go. This is the outfit. It is so cute. You guys know that this is the season for denim. Yes, you gotta hop on that denim boat, okay? So that's what I did. I got me a nice little denim skirt. This is a lightweight denim skirt. I got it from Shein. It's comfortable. It's really cute. All right. It has like the little buttons going in the front, but it doesn't actually, open up. It's just for the look, okay? It has a tie, a connected belt, okay? And you can tie it in the back or the front, okay? And I decided to tie it like this in the front, all right? I also got the shirt. This is a button up and down white shirt. It's fitted. It has stretch, not crazy stretch. I got this also from Shein as well. Up underneath, I just put a bathing suit top up underneath. Up underneath, there's a bathing suit top. Boom, hence is the look. It's a 3/4 inch sleeve. Here it is from the back, okay? Here it is from the front. All right, I have on some flat white sandals. The white sandals, I think they look like I believe it's called Hermes. I think it is dupes. That's what it looked like, okay? But hey, this is the outfit. Get into it, honey. It is so cute. Yes, ma'am. We're ready to go to the mall. We're ready to go out to eat with our friends. Or we're just ready. It's just a look. It's just a look. All right? Okay, this is the finished look. Yes, ma'am. Look at the shades. These shades are so cute. At the top, it's the blue, and then on the bottom, it's kind of like a pink. Okay, I believe I got these. You know what? I can't remember where I got these, but they're cute. And this is the bag that I bought the other day from Cise, C-I-S-E, Black-owned company, and it has protect Black women on the front of it. Okay, absolutely love the bag. I will be purchasing something else from them because we got to support, you know, one another. But get into the full look. Yes, ma'am. Look at the bag. It makes the outfit pop. It has a statement, and it's absolutely cute. It is cute with a statement. It's giving this outfit, yes, giving the outfit purpose. Yes, we are giving the outfit purpose. Protect Black women. Yes, ma'am. Get into that look, baby. What are they going to tell us? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. I am feeling this Michael Kors. The Michael Kors. Let me just get the name. I am feeling this, you guys. If you don't have it, y'all need to try it. It smells so, the Michael Kors Wanderlust. I've been having it. I wasn't really spraying it on, but it smells so good. It's like, it's so bold, but it smells good. It's very bold, clean. It's like giving rich auntie. Yes, ma'am, but you guys need to try it. Yes, I mean, it stays on all day. Trust and believe. I love it.
Small city thing.